We're back at Clark's family farm. We lifted it today. After we put the barn up, we went up to the outside and kind of fastened these I-beams, make sure we got all the weight down on them, make sure we got our pulls in. Oh, less wind today. We probably would have got a little bit more metal on, but that was kind of the game plan today, get it up and get as much metal on as possible. So that's what we'll keep doing moving forward, is metal in the barn and getting it closed up, get the customer in here as quick as possible during harvest. So that's kind of the game plan.